So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasta Education. So in this video I am going to discuss how to identify the type of mirrors. Okay, so let's get started. So a concave mirror, okay, a concave mirror always forms a real image. Alright, this you should keep in your mind. A concave mirror always forms a real image, but except for only one region. Okay, that is between the focus and focal. Okay, and in this case the image formed is virtual, erect and magnified. Okay, and that is formed for a real object in focus to pole. Okay, in this region for a concave mirror, when the real object is in between focus and pole, then in that case a virtual image is produced, and that virtual image is erect and magnified. Okay, so whenever concave mirror forms a virtual image, okay, so that virtual image is always erect and magnified. Okay, this is very important point. So let's say I have a concave mirror, and let's say it is the focus, and let's say it is the pole. Okay, whenever a real object is in between focus and pole, okay, in this region focus to pole, in this case the image formed is virtual, that is erect and magnified. Okay, this is the only region, okay, when virtual image is produced for a concave mirror. Alright, so similarly a convex mirror always forms virtual image. Alright, a convex mirror always forms virtual image. Okay, and except for only one case, and that is when a virtual object, okay, when a virtual object is on between focus to pole. Alright, and in that case real image is formed, and that real image is erect and magnified. Okay, so whenever convex mirror forms real image, then it is always erect and magnified. Okay, so a convex mirror cannot form a real image which is inverted or which is diminished in nature. Okay, similarly a concave mirror cannot form a virtual image which is inverted and diminished. Okay, so let's say this is the convex mirror. Alright, and let's say your virtual object is in between this pole to focus. Okay, virtual object in this region. Okay, then in that case a real image is formed. Okay, whenever a virtual object is in between pole to focus in case of a convex mirror, in that case a real image is formed. Okay, this is the only region, okay, when a convex mirror forms real image. Okay, in all other cases a convex mirror forms virtual image. Alright, and the real image formed in this case is erect and magnified. Okay, so based upon this we can identify the type of mirror. Alright, so if a virtual image is inverted, okay, yani inverted virtual image is formed only by a convex mirror. Okay, similarly inverted real image is formed only by a concave mirror. Okay, and whenever there is diminished virtual image, okay, then that will be convex mirror only. Okay, similarly real and diminished image is formed by concave mirror. Okay, from this we can identify the type of mirror. Okay, either it will be convex mirror or concave mirror. Okay, So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.